In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Google Workspace Certification with Google Cloud. First, open your browser and go to cloud.google.com/learn/certification. On the certification page, scroll down to the role-based certification section in the middle of the page. You'll see the which Google Cloud certification is right for you section with a grid of certifications. It's divided into foundation, associate, and professional levels, with different roles listed under each. For example, let's pick Google Workspace Administrator from the Associate Certification category. Once you're on the Google Workspace Administrator page, scroll down and click Start Preparing. This is usually below the exam details. Then, click Start Course. This will open the Google Cloud Skills Boost page where the official training is hosted. If you're not signed in yet, sign in with your Google account. Then click Enroll to join the course for free or with your subscription. Follow the Learning Path modules. They include video lessons, reading materials, and hands-on labs. Make sure you complete all modules to be fully prepared for the exam. When you're ready, go back to the certification page and click Register at the top right. Choose your preferred exam format, online proctored or test center. Then, pick your date and time. On exam day, make sure you have a valid ID, a working webcam and microphone, and a quiet environment if you're taking it online. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and subscribe to your Fix Expert for more quick tech guides.